Well, good afternoon, fellow traders. Black Coffee Trader here. It is, what is today? Today is Thursday, the 21st of November. And once again, we had a very, very, very good day today on the funded accounts, really all the way across the board. We had a really good day, over $2,000 in profit. Very, very, very happy. In fact, I think I was at 2,500 if I remember correctly. Yeah, 2550 pretty much on the funded accounts. So very, very, very solid day. As you can see, the Zella score really good. My win rate was really high today, so almost 70%. Average win to loss, very, very nice at 373 average win, 201 average loss. Just overall, really, really good trading day. And as you can see, we're putting together a pretty solid month up for me anyway. It's a pretty solid month, up $6,400 in profit on the month. 3 red days, the rest of them are green, and the last couple of days we put together were 5,000 in profits. So very, very, very good trading. Obviously, the bigger portion of that has come from the UProfit accounts. I'm doing very, very well with UProfit, and really I'm doing very well with Apex. Finally got my funded accounts all back above 50,000, so that is awesome. I think these two are at the highest that they've been, at almost 50,700, so about $700 in profit on these two. But yeah, just overall, things are just going quite well. Trading very, very well, and just trying to be smart, to be really, really smart about it, and be very, very diligent in my setups and just take good setups. I did have a roller coaster ride on my one UProfit account, which I will talk about here in a minute. But I forgot to show this yesterday, and I wanted to show it today just to see, where things are going. Yesterday we had a 13.12 risk to reward, so very, very nice trading day. 91% win rate yesterday. Today was a 7.2R and a 69% win rate, so really, really, really good. But yeah, definitely for sure way made up our red days for the month so far, and that is great. I have not looked at this in a while. Let's look at the month in total. So this month we're up 6,400, 52% win rate. We have a positive average win to loss, and really digging ourselves really out of that hole. That's good. And then I wanted to look at the playbook. I've not looked at this in a while. I actually didn't look at it today even. I'm not sure what it says. So this month, hitchhiker trade, 104 trades, 5,200 in profit has come from that setup. And then the key level trade, we have 34 of those. That is operating at a bit of a net loss. I did not take any of the VWAP crosses and break and retests. I'm not even doing this anymore. It's just not worth it for me. It was such a low win rate on the VWAP cross setup that I'm just not trading it anymore. Really, the bread and butter for me is the hitchhiker, and honestly the key level, although this month that has not been that good. But yeah, very, very happy with the way that the trading is going. And we're just putting together some good overall trading. I want to take a look at the UProfit accounts, because those are the ones that are really rocking it. Honestly, the very first one, the UProfit Live number 1, I have absolutely killed it with that account. We're up 6,800 this month, and if we take it over the last 30 days, we're at 9,200 in profit on that account. I have withdrawn 4,000, and I have enough to already take another withdrawal, and I'm 2 days in. So today was another strong day on that account, but just really, really nice equity curve, building that very nicely. And again, it's just a testament to taking very good setups and being very diligent with that. So on the newer account, the last one that we received, I'm up $1,000. Today was the first day on that account. Let's go to this month. The first day on that account, up 1,000, so great start. That's good. And then the UProfit 2 account, this is the one that we had a roller coaster today. We are technically down 940, and the reason I'm saying that, let's change this to this month. The reason I'm saying 940 is because I blew the first one. I blew one, passed another eval, and then I've traded it since then. So technically this is showing red, and this is I'm keeping track of all the trading, not just the current accounts that I've got. So technically this one is negative 940, even though the current eval that I've got is up about $1,000, right around $1,000. So, and then let's take a quick look at Apex for the month and see where Apex is at. we're down, still down 500, but we have dug our way. You know, we had this very, very big red day, 5,000 in negative. That's the day I think where I blew several accounts with Apex. So, you know, I've kind of made that back with 2 and 3 accounts, and we've gotten almost back to break even, which is really good. So that's kind of the long and the short of it there. Now I need to fix this so I feel happy about the way this is all set up. I want to show you the UProfit accounts and where those are at. So we've got, just make this a little bit wider so I can see the whole ball of wax here. So this is the account that I have had for several days now, but the third day we are up 210 on that account today. This is the account that I took through a major roller coaster this morning. And as you can see, there are a lot of trades in here, and I completely got wrecked. This morning on this sell-off at the open. I completely had my head, you know, screwed on completely backwards. I was looking for this to hold and bounce. And we fell through this level. And we finally did bounce, and I got my way back out of it. But the long and the short of this is I was down a net loss on the day here of negative 2,100. And then I made that all back and got to a positive 210. So that is a very big win for me. And it was just, you know, I just kept sticking with it. And one of the things that really stood out to me in this session this morning, if I was not trading with a very good R multiple or a very tight risk to reward tolerance, I would absolutely not have recovered this, and I would have had a lot bigger losses. So I really attribute a lot of the trading success that I've had to having a very good R multiple and having good risk management. Let's look at the other accounts. That's the new one. This is the original one. This one here, we're doing an $800 profit day today. We've got that account up to 55,000, so 5,200 in profit, and I still need 3 more trading days before I can withdraw. So if I can even do just 200 a day for the next 3 days, that's another 600. That puts this account up to 5,800. So we can withdraw 400 or 2,000, and we'll still have nearly $4,000 of buffer in there. So once you reach five withdrawals on an account, then you have unlimited withdrawals with UProfit. So, and then the third and final one is this account. This is the first day, and we are up $1,000. Took 3 trades. Really was trying to get this long, and I got stopped out a couple times, and then the third one it finally broke out, and we did get a really nice, you know, $1,000 trade there. So very happy. I cannot say enough about how UProfit has really, I think, since I've been trading UProfit, I've really started to pick my game up and trade a lot better. I'm taking the same setups. I'm really, you know, here again, this is a hitchhiker setup. It's not a great hitchhiker setup, but it is a hitchhiker, and I'm going in with a tight stop and a big reward. And I get stopped out a couple times, but I as long as the setup does not fall apart, I'm staying with it. And when it breaks, you know, that turns into a really big trade. I think this trade actually was probably about 14 or 1,500 in profit on the final trade, and then it puts the net gain up to $1,000. So anyway, I did learn though that 3 live accounts is the max that you're allowed to have with UProfit. So I am there. So really no sense in continue to trade evals. I'm just going to trade the live accounts and try to build them as much as I can. And if I happen to blow one, then I'll trade another eval. So that's kind of the long and the short of the UProfit story. But very happy with the progress there. And maybe I should add as well. Actually, let's just go to UProfit on the dashboard. This might make a little more sense. So this account, this is the one that we've had for a few days. This is the one we had the roller coaster on. So today was day 3. This hasn't updated yet. This will update. So day 3, I've got 2 more days before I could request a payout. And I really want this balance to be at like 53 to 54,000 before I withdraw anything, because I lose my $48,000 static drawdown. That goes to 50. So I don't want to jeopardize the drawdown. And then this is the original one. This is the big one. And of course I need to re-sign in. So the big one here, this is not updated yet. Today was trading day 2, so I need 3 more days before I can withdraw. But again, we're at 5,000 in profit, so we should be able to get that one close to 6,000 in profit. And then when we do with the withdrawal, we'll have 4,000 left over, like we just talked about. And then is this the one we had looked at? Yep. And then the new account is the one that, yeah, this one right here. This was today. And up $1,000 today was day 1. So very going quite well with these accounts. Really happy with UProfit. So what else? We looked at TradeZella, and the trades I took on the Apex accounts, I really just took 2 trades right here. I had a hitchhiker this morning. Right here, we had this move up and finally breaking above the 720 range, 730s. Took a long here, got out with a nice little profit there of about 100. And then I had another one. This was almost more of a breakout trade than a hitchhiker setup, but I did like this and took this one long for about, whatever it was, around 80 bucks. And that got us up to the 180 mark. So, and I noticed once again, and I talked about this yesterday as well, after the big move, I started to notice that this VWAP was starting to go flat. And this was just a very, very choppy, yucky action this afternoon. Very yucky action. So once again, it was smart of me to just walk away, right around the lunch hour and just be done trading. I mean, I could have tried to push it and get some more money on these accounts, but I said, no, I'm fine with it. I'm taking it slow and steady on these Apex accounts. And when I get there, I get there. And on that note, I did take some trades during this choppy range with this upper eval, and as you can see, it shows 80 trades. So I was trading with 5 micros, so that's 8. I think I took 8 trades, and I ended up with a net gain of $82. So that tells you, I mean, this is a no man's land for me. I do not do well with this. Took 1 trade on the take profit eval account and had a couple hundred bucks in profit there. So moved the needle a little bit, which is good. But yeah, that was the day. That's pretty much the trading day. And once again, just a very, very solid trading. And I'm very, very happy with the progress. So again, I just want to say thank you. Appreciate you all hanging out. Appreciate the comments. Appreciate you using code BCT with Apex and Take Profit Trader. I reached out to UProfit. I sure wish they had some kind of a discount code that would help promote UProfit. But in any case, the BCT code works for Apex and Take Profit Trader. Thank you very much for using that. And once again, if you're new, feel free to like and subscribe. I try to do these updates every single day that I'm trading. So I will leave you with that. Tomorrow is Friday. Let's wrap up the week on a green note, on a positive note. So take care. Have a good trading day tomorrow. Have a great night. And I'll have another update for you tomorrow afternoon. Take care and so long.